Most B2B SaaS founders see YouTube as a massive time drain with zero ROI. But what if the secret to B2B SaaS leads on YouTube wasn't more content, but rather a smarter and leaner system? I'm Sarah, I'm a YouTube growth strategist and SEO expert, and I've spent countless hours dissecting what actually works for busy founders like you, not just more generic content that you really can't relate to. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact 3 video per month system that can turn YouTube from a chore into your most powerful lead generating tool, even if you're a team of one. Traditional content calendars promise you the world if you can just manage to turn out a mere 8 videos or more per month. They assume you have a full marketing team, endless time, budget, and creative energy. But for a busy founder with a lean team, that's simply not realistic. Trying to fill a content calendar with 8 or more videos per month is like filling a swimming pool with a garden hose. It's exhausting and you're barely even going to make a dent. In reality, you don't need more videos, you need the right videos. Forget those 8+ videos per month. Let's think three strategic seeds that actually grow instead of scattering hundreds and praying that something sticks. Quality over quantity isn't actually a cliche here. It's going to be your secret weapon if you've got a small team. So how do you make this a reality? Using 3 content pillars, 3 types of videos every month, 1 from each pillar. Think of it like a 3-legged stool. Solid, balanced, remove 1 leg, and your strategy wobbles. The first pillar is your bottom of the funnel content. This is going to be your conversion content that's designed to convert your viewers into customers. This type of content will typically include product demos that are solving specific pain points, customer testimonials with really concrete numbers, or comparisons that are really showing your viewers your competitive edge. Some examples of these would be maybe learning Adobe Premiere Pro in a 2-hour masterclass, or switching from Notion to Evernote and what really surprised you the most. Your middle of the funnel content, or your authority content, establishes you as the trusted advisor. This type of content will include maybe industry trend analysis or expert opinion on emerging technologies, or even thought leadership that challenges conventional wisdom. Some examples would be discussing the rise of micro SaaS in YouTube, or what is the future of AI in SEO. This will position you as a partner, not just another vendor. You want to allocate about 30 to 40% of your efforts here. And then your top of the funnel content is going to be your discovery content, which is designed to really build your audience. This type of content will include how-to guides that are solving common problems, actionable listicles, or educational content that is targeting a broader search. For example, 7 habits of highly successful entrepreneurs, or what is branding and why is it more than just a logo? This is really going to be your eyeball magnet for your new viewers, and you'll want to dedicate at least 40 to 50% of your efforts on this pillar. So we've talked about at least 3 different types of content within each pillar. And now to add variety, you're going to want to rotate your formats within each pillar monthly. So for example, for your bottom of the funnel content, maybe for 1 month, you're going to feature a testimonial for a conversion. And then the next month, you'll showcase a screen share product demo. This allows you to keep your content fresh without having to reinvent your strategy every single time. Okay, so now we've talked about our 3 content pillars and what are some different examples of content that we can find within each of those. But now let's talk about how we can make this ridiculously simple for you to implement. This is an exact template that I give to my clients to help them avoid the overwhelm of content planning and the chaos that comes with that, while also maintaining consistency. 1 table, dump all of your ideas here in 1 centralized location, and then you'll tag them by pillar so you can easily and quickly identify which category they belong to. Plant your ideas when you're inspired, harvest them when you're planning. This eliminates pressure of coming up with ideas on demand. Next, we have our monthly themes. Each month you focus on 1 business goal. So this could be promoting a new feature, or targeting a specific customer segment, or addressing a common issue. This gives you 3 videos for that month with a natural theme and a very cohesive message all around. For example, your theme 1 month may be seamless workflows. Your conversion video will be about how to show that integration. Your authority video would be about discussing the integration trends, and your discovery video perhaps about teaching how to evaluate integrations in general. And then third, we have our batch and conquer. This is the linchpin of your system. You want to dedicate 2 days a month for content creation. That's it. No more, no less. Day 1, you're going to plan and script. Day 2, we're batch recording. Give yourself the morning for talking head segments when energy is high, or maybe record in the afternoon if you're doing something like a screen recording. Basically, you're meal prepping for content. And our mantra is set it, forget it, optimize later. Perfect is the enemy of published, especially for founders like you. This system gives you consistency without the crazy, allowing you to maintain a YouTube presence that actually drives business results. And by using this 3 video system, you are transforming YouTube from a time drain into your 24/7 sales and authority engine. You're going to build a focused library of content that works together to move prospects through your funnel, all while maintaining your sanity as a busy founder. Sounds like a win-win. So if you're ready to ditch content overwhelm for actual results, hit like to help other founders discover this system, subscribe for more B2B growth strategies, and type system in the comments if you want this exact content calendar template. Thanks for joining. Bye, guys.